The Create a New Test screen is where we want to go whenever we want to create a custom test. The Macmillan test generator allows us to create tests by choosing exercises ourselves, letting the computer choose them randomly, or a mix of both. Let's see how this works. Before we do anything, let's give our new test a name. This is the name that will be printed on the heading of the test, which all of your students will see. It probably makes sense then to use a name which corresponds to the class you're creating the test for. Next, we want to start choosing the exercises for our test. In this demo, one unit of content has been made available to us, but the full product will have many units. The first thing we need to decide is whether or not we want to choose exercises individually or let the computer choose them randomly. Let's start by choosing our own, one by one. You can see that underneath the unit we have content broken out further by categories. Let's drill down into a couple of them by expanding the category using the plus icon here on the right. As you scroll up and down, you'll see a list of all of the available exercises. To select one, simply click the checkbox in the upper left-hand corner of the exercise. As you select exercises, you'll notice that the test generator keeps track of how many of them you've currently selected. You'll also notice that listening exercises will offer the ability to preview the audio track and, if available, a transcript as well. What happens though if you decide you would rather let the computer choose exercises for you randomly? First, keep in mind that if you have already selected exercises one by one, switching to randomly selected exercises will overwrite any choices you've already made. The program will warn you if you're about to do so. Let's say yes. To select exercises randomly, we simply want to click the randomly button and enter the number of exercises we want. The number to the right of the slash tells you how many total exercises are available. You can see that the categories expand to show you how the computer has chosen to distribute the exercises. If you would like to see which ones were chosen, simply expand the categories to see which ones are selected. If you don't like the choices the computer made, you can try your luck again by changing the number in the box and getting a new set of selections.